Hello, I'm Kimberly from Estrella. We're a company that provides a range of services like data entry, back office, CRM web system, lead generation, social media marketing, and call center solution inbound and outbound campaigns. We have been working on our newest project with AALogics for over a year now. The latest project is called Aveta.gr, which is now under our guidance and will be submitted online very soon. Our primary focus is to serve as an online platform for offering different services and products with personalized prices. Our project is about to collect and compare offers from suppliers and provide them to clients based on their needs. Our team is committed to a common goal of making life easier for people finding the best solution for them. We use technology to help those who want to save and regain time to dedicate to their project. The AALogics team have been extremely correct and rapid in fulfilling the project objectives. They have also built a CRM system to support customers and have the platform to maximize sales. We recommend AALogics as a serious developer company dedicated to the project they take on for development.